Dating Hermit here from my vacation in Manhattan, New York City. Just got a response on a dating app from a lovely 30-year-old woman who said something about her deal breaker, one of them being if you snore. I thought this was actually a joke, so I said to her, well, what if I get a CPAP machine? Is that kind of like a get out of jail card? And I started to quickly understand that she's actually pretty serious about it. So can you imagine that that's one of your criteria for meeting someone? You must be meeting some quality men if snoring is the main issue that is a break it for you. So I bid her adieu, wished her all the best, and went home laughing.